Welcome to NanoTouch installation and training videos. In this video, we're going to be installing a 3.6 by 12 bar wrap. This is going on a crash bar, which is what people use on the emergency exits or that kind of thing. First step is to remove all the adhesive backing. You want to just simply line it up, staying away from like the end pieces like this, and just center it on the bar itself. Once that's done, you want to just gently start at the middle, rubbing your way up towards the top and then back towards the bottom. And then you just want to simply start folding it over like this. And then touch it down on the back. You want to make sure that you have a good tight contact there. You can roll it like this to try to remove any air bubbles, and then also same thing on the bottom. Just a quick side to side like that. That's all there is to it.